Hello everybody, today we are going to learn what is operating system, definition of operating system, and I'm going to tell you what are the examples of different operating systems. So definition of operating system is operating system acts as an interface connecting the computer user with the hardware of the computer. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Consider a user, this is computer user and this is the hardware of the computer. So the bridge or the interface connecting the computer user with the hardware is the operating system. Second point is the operating system falls under operating system falls under system software. This means operating system is the falls under system software and it performs tasks like operating system performs tasks like file management. File management means creating, deleting or editing files. So operating system performs file management. Memory handling means how much usage or how much storage should be given to particular task or process. Third is process management. So if we click any command, so process is carried out which is handled by operating system or OS. Similarly, handling the input and output. If we hardware means using mouse, a mouse, keyboard. So if we clicked on anything using mouse, input is given and thus we will get the output. So this is handled by OS. What are the different examples of OS? Examples of OS are Linux, Windows which is used in computers. Also Android is an example of operating system. So this is what is the definition and what is operating system. In the next video I'm going to tell you what are the different types of operating system. Hope you understood what is operating system. Thank you.